Tonight we're making sweet potato, broccoli, DONBURI with a fried egg. This is from Every Plate. Let's get started. Alright, we've got some scallions, sweet potatoes, lime, broccoli, a little cucumber, French fry seasoning, sriracha, jasmine rice. They don't send the eggs, of course, but I've got the eggs. They send mayo. I'm going to substitute our vegan mayo. And yeah, alright, so let's start with our bread. Alright, those look bite-sized to me. And sweet potatoes. Alright, we're gonna peel and chop our sweet potatoes. I went ahead and rinsed them off. Peeled potatoes. And now we gotta chop them. Potatoes are chopped. What's up? And let's see what our next step is. Alright, next step. Melt a tablespoon of butter, small pot over medium-high heat, add scallions. Cook for a minute. Stir in rice, 1 1/4 cup of water, a little bit of salt. Alright, and the rice takes 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, we got a little bit of our butter melting in there. And we add the scallions. Oh, the scallion whites. Oh, I didn't save that. Measured out 1 1/4 cup water. Cool. I'm making the rice. So boil, right? And then reduce and cover.
What's in there?
Rice and a little bit of scallion. Onion. Yeah. You're gonna try one? Just like that? Yeah, it's not so great by themselves.
What's in there?
It's scallion, honey.
Any scallion?
Okay. Okie doke. Sweet potatoes. Use half of our fry seasoning. Going on here. Alexa, give me a 12-minute timer.
You making waffles?
12 minutes.
No.
Starting now.
Making sweet potato. All right, stuff's cooking on the stove and in the oven. We're gonna chop up this cucumber.
What are you cutting?
There's a cucumber.
We cutting cucumber.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut the cucumber.
Okay, here's a cucumber.
Uh-huh.
Okay, here's that.
What color is it? You tell me.
Tea.
It is green.
Real, Mama.
Cut the cucumber. Do you like cucumber?
I like the cucumber. Real, Mama.
Zest and quarter the lime. Let's go ahead and zest our lemon. I mean, our lime.
Real, Mama.
I'm zesting lime. We haven't got to that step yet.
Real, Mama.
I'm still working on the lime.
I did a hug.
Aw, this is the sweetest. Thank you.
What's in there?
Zest. Can you say zest?
This.
Yeah, lime zest.
What color is this?
It's green, just like the lime. Okay, this one will look like cucumber.
What's happening?
Whoa, 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 no, no, no. No.
Jackie! Real, Mama.
Going in here. I'm gonna quarter the lime. Here's it. Cucumber lime. And some sugar.
Real, Mama.
I'm making a little cucumber. It's not really salad. It's just alright, sugar.
Real, Mama.
I'll need a spoon. Alrighty. This smells amazing. The bowl's probably a little bigger than I needed, but cucumber lime. Mayo.
What? What about this?
You want me to cut you an apple?
Let's do it.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Stop.
Sriracha. Here's our sriracha mayo. It's a nice color. Our timer for the sweet potatoes went off, so I pulled those out. And we're going to add the broccoli. Put a little bit of olive oil on there. It doesn't really say. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this. Go back in 12 to 15 minutes. Alexa, give me a 13-minute timer.
Second time. Your rice timer is done.
Woohoo! Alexa, dismiss. Cool. So that means there's just 5 more minutes left on the vegetables, and we can make our eggs. those are cooking. Let's see, Alexa, how much time is on the timer?
You have 3 minutes and 20 seconds left on your Buckley timer.
Buckley. Must be broccoli timer. Cool, we're almost done. I added just a splash of water and put the lid on. Helps the eggs not stick. And yeah, I think it works pretty well. Alright, these look perfect to me. So I'm just waiting on the timer for our veggies to go off and we'll be ready to plate. Alright, here's our rice with a little bit of scallion. Go ahead and split that.
It's just, yeah. What's that?
Oh,
Your
there.
Buckley timer is done.
Broccoli timer. Woohoo! Perfect. These are roasted veggies. Yep, we're gonna be making some little different things.
And the eggs are cutted. And you white ball. A white ball. A white ball.
Awesome. Alright, that is it. Really nice. I'm excited to see how the cucumber and egg with the hot veggies all taste together. Let's try it out. Alright, this looks like a mountain of food.
Try yours, Dad. Try yours.
Let me get some of this.
Try yours. That idea.
Try some of these veggies. Good, good. Try a little bit of cucumber and egg. I just think that's the oddest combo, but let's see. It's really good. Margot, you want to try a bite? No? Okay. Pretty good. Pretty good.